everyone. Hi Virgos, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Vasoul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for the month of December 2020. This is the reading for situationship. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, all the details are given in the description box below. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you wish to join our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what's going on with you guys. Okay, so there is someone sad, depressed about a particular situation. A lot of fighting is going on around you, near you, externally. Okay, and that's why I think you are sad or depressed or sad, or you are in sorrow. There's an issue with your stability, whether it's financial or relationship, right? But a lot of instability is going on. Your third eye chakra is opening. You're understanding. A lot of realizations are happening to you, Virgos. Okay, so yeah. Yes, the situation is not really good, to be honest. That is affecting your creativity. You're sad. You're really isolated yourself when it comes to the situation. You are just being very sad. You think that you have to compromise in a long-term commitment or a relationship, or something long-term of partnership. Anything it can be, either career or relationship. So yeah, a lot of compromise is needed. You're trying to be more sharing, more giving into a situation. You're working to maintain your stability foundation, whether it's marriage or your career. You're being very innocent when it comes to a particular situation. Okay, there you might be juggling between two choices, to connection, to decision, to direction, but a lot of possibilities on the horizon for you, for sure. You want to go for an adventure. You're craving for an adventure. You need a break from yourself, and you really need to go for an adventure. That is what I feel. Okay, so you are waiting for some sort of money related offer which is not coming, and you are sad, depressed, worried about it, having anxiety issues, thinking about it day and night. You are losing your power. You are not into your own power actually. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay, you are thinking that you want to build something. You want to team up with something. You want to collaborate with something. You want to do something for someone. Okay, so yeah, like you want to collaborate, what you want to team up, you want to partner up with someone, you want to start something new. For some of the Virgos, third party situation is also interfering into your life. Okay, only for few of you. Okay, not everyone out there. There's some sort of major offer is coming your way in the upcoming weeks. Okay, whatever fights are going on, you were disappointed in the past, and now you are releasing those fights, problems, issues. A major money related opportunity is about to come into your way, Virgos. Okay, karmically you are going through some karmic injustice or problems financially. So yeah, that cycle is not over yet when it comes to financial things, but it might come to an end in few months. But I'm telling you that there is a universal blockage when it comes to your finances, money related stuff. Okay, there's some major shakeup will be going on in the month of December for you. Major shakeup which will make you weak. Okay, major shakeup where a fight might happen, a separation might happen, a issue comes to life. So yeah, a major your whole perspective is about to change, or something is about to shake up your world. That's what I feel. So you will be trying to achieve something when it comes to a team up or collaboration or something, you have a particular goal and you would like to achieve something, and you are unable to achieve it. That's why you are feeling disappointed with something. Okay, yeah, sometimes you feel weak when it comes to money related opportunities. Like you feel that you are not into your own power, you cannot take your own decision if you don't have a stable income or a stable life or stability financially. You want to grow up financially. That's the thing. So yeah, you have a, okay, I'm going to reshuffle it again. Okay, there's instability into your home life, major instability going on either into your marriage life or your family life. Okay, there's major instabilities going on into your home life, or some of you might think of shifting to a new place because of this fights happening into your life. Third party situation will be creating a problems into your life. So yeah, major karmic cycle is happening. There will be few truths, hidden secrets, hidden truths will be revealed to you in the month of December, and something is not coming into completion in the month of December. That cycle is still going on. Okay, so yeah, for few of you, you know, a major rebirth is happening. You will start valuing yourself more. Self love, self care should be your priority. And also I see for other Virgos out there, there might be a third party situation. Now third party can be mother-in-law, father-in-law, neighbor, family, friends, anything interfering into your connection. And that's why I think there's marriage fights going on into your unstable life, or you know, problems into your married life. Okay, so yeah, you are releasing, you are no more thinking about money, no more concerned about money, at least for now. So yeah, that's the thing. No more waiting. Now it's the time to take an action towards something or someone, but now you are not waiting game is not going on. Now you need to take an action. There's some ending needed which is not happening. Ending of a fight, chaos, problems, karmic cycle, but that's not happening right now. That's the problem. Blockage. You are holding back your money very nicely when it comes to in the month of December. Okay, so like you will be very conjuice, like you'll be spending very conjuice type of person. Like you will be, I am not getting that word. Okay, so you'll be very much thinking about money. Whenever you'll be spending, you'll be thinking twice thrice before spending it. Okay, so yeah, there's some blockages when it comes to a third party situation. A lot of family life is not no celebration is happening into a family life, no happiness is there. So yeah, coming together is not happening, gatherings are not happening, issues are going on. You want to shift, you are thinking to explore, you are thinking to shift, you are thinking to relocate, you are thinking to travel somewhere. And sometimes the chaos which is going on around you, that is the reason for this shifting, relocating. You are thinking to, you might travel somewhere in the month of December, you might think of shifting somewhere to a new place, or relocating to a new place. So yeah, okay, so there's a very stagnant energy when it comes to taking a movement. Like, you know, if someone is approaching you, that is like, if you're thinking that someone should approach you or you approach someone, that there's a stagnant energy into that. So there's a universal blockage with the same. Okay, your wish will get manifested, hoping, believing, you're thinking about something, but your wish will get manifested after January 2021, not this year. Okay, so yeah guys, I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, so bye bye guys, take care, kindly like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.